Mercedes hits hard again, this time with a new plug-in hybrid powertrain into the revised 2024 AMG GLE 53. This isn't your average coupe SUV, this faces a stiff competition from the BMW X6 M60i. Welcome guys! Today we're riding in a car that's got everyone buzzing, the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Hybrid. There are some interesting facts you need to know about this car, so let's go! This isn't just any GLE folks, this is the AMG version, meaning it's packed with performance and luxury features that will leave you speechless. We're talking a hybrid powertrain that delivers both electrifying power and fuel efficiency, a stunning interior that redefines comfort, and technology that's straight out of the future. Now, the price tag for this beast is a bit hefty, starting at around $80,000. But when you consider the level of performance, luxury, and technology you're getting, it's actually quite reasonable. Plus, you'll be saving money on gas and doing your part for the planet with the hybrid powertrain. Just look at it! The GLE 53 oozes sophistication and power with its sleek lines, sculpted bodywork, and aggressive front grille. From the redesigned headlights to the sharper air intakes, every detail has been meticulously crafted to make this SUV stand out. It's a solid 10 from me when it comes to the looks, folks, no doubt about it. The wheel sizes and rim designs are just perfect. Step inside, and the luxuriousness hits you like a wave. The soft leather seats, the panoramic sunroof, and the ambient lighting create an atmosphere that's both inviting and opulent. The designers haven't forgotten about practicality either, with plenty of space for passengers and cargo. And let's not forget the new digital instrument cluster and the massive touchscreen infotainment system. Mercedes-Benz truly knows how to spoil its customers. Speaking of technology, the GLE 53 is loaded with features that will make your jaw drop. We're talking a voice-activated infotainment system, gesture control, augmented reality navigation, and a suite of driver assistance systems that will keep you safe and secure on the road. This car is basically a rolling tech hub, and it's amazing. But let's talk about the real star of the show, the hybrid powertrain. This bad boy combines a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine with a powerful electric motor, giving you a combined output of 544 horsepower and 750 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough power to rocket this SUV from 0 to 60 in just 4.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs on the market. And the best part? You can drive up to 86 kilometers on pure electric power, saving you money on gas and reducing your carbon footprint. Despite its performance capabilities, the GLE 53 doesn't compromise on comfort. The air suspension smooths out even the roughest roads, and the spacious interior makes long journeys a breeze. This SUV is perfect for cruising down the highway in style and comfort. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or taking a family vacation. This is a car that has it all: performance, luxury, technology, and efficiency. It's a true masterpiece that deserves its place at the top of the luxury SUV segment. So, if you're looking for an SUV that will turn heads and leave you breathless, the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Hybrid is the one for you. This car is truly a game changer, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for it. Well folks, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining me on this journey with the amazing GLE 53. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top car content. And remember, stay safe and keep it classy.